detail kit here where the details make the difference. And we are at the shop today and we are installing the airlift alp4 system on this car. So first step, we have to drain the tank, which is already done. Very little air in it. Very little air and it's empty. So next step, you're gonna have, on our car, we have 2 screws down here, and then these are all quick connects for the hard lines. So we just pop them off. We're gonna switch these over to the alp4, and then we can drop the alp4 in, screw it in, drop in these, and then we can reconnect the connector to give it power. Let's get going. Okay guys, so I did this one off camera, scared Reagan the cameraman, or camera girl, whatever you want to call it. And now we're going to do the rest of these. There, so it's starting to get loose. I like that. There we go. Okay guys, so I figured out what I have to do. So this one, it sat in the bottom, the floor, like that, and it hooked in right there. I had to disconnect it because this didn't have any give in it since it was in the hole, so it didn't want to come back. So I had to take it out of the bottom. This one is getting really close. So what, if you have these quick connects, sometimes you have to push it in like that, and you have to try again. There we go. And that is one alp3 system removed. Okay guys, the alp3 brain is out. And you might be wondering, that's the alp3? Yes. We just have this carbon fiber cover on here to match the frunk and the interior. Super dope, but I think we're just gonna rock that. And plus, that has LEDs in the alp4, so that'll be sick in the front, especially with that glass window. And so yeah, we're gonna get everything off the front of here. We're just gonna unscrew those. We're gonna pop them on there, and then we can reinstall. Okay guys, we got the alp4 all set up with all the attachments on. So now we're just gonna put it on its spot. And so now we're gonna install these. And so I think it'll be easier if we take these out. I'm just gonna take that off for now so I can take these out safely. One out. Two out. So now I'll put these so that goes there. So that goes right there. And that goes right there. Making sure those don't come out. And now I'll put them in the bottom. Alright, and now we'll put in everything else. there. Last one right here. And then right there. Now let's go. Okay guys, so I already took the remote off and I have the new one installed. So all we have to do is press the magic button down here. This powers on. And it's in manual mode right now. You hear the compressor going. And there it goes. You can go to all your different modes. And so, I'm going to go through and set this up for the car. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys after I calibrate this. So guys, this is cool. So on the new one, you can name your presets. So I'm going to name this one Faux Show. F-O-S. This is not a normal, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Show. It's alphabetical. Okay, so it's a couple weeks later and the car is running amazing. The airlift, as you can see, it's been working awesome for me. It's made things so much easier for when my dad, the car will lower down sometimes, and my dad will be like, hey son, what do I do? I just tell him, hey, go to daily mode, click that, it'll air up. And it's just been so much easier to use in general. It's been more reliable. It's just a bulletproof system. And anybody can use it. So if you guys are going to get airlift suspension, alp4 is 100% the way to go. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I might not know all your questions, but I can sure try and help. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace.